Introducing the Multi-Pass series from Crown Royal Stoves, the most trusted outdoor boiler on the market. This is where tradition meets cutting edge. The turbo draft system is engineered to optimize airflow for a cleaner burn, ignite secondary gases before they exit the chimney, and burn up to 40% less fuel than conventional boilers. The triple pass water-filled heat exchanger is designed to maximize heat transfer and overall efficiency. Strategically positioned within the water jacket, it significantly improves heat recovery. Cast iron shaker grates are built in to handle a wide variety of fuels, improving airflow beneath the fire for a more complete burn. Easily shake down excess ash into the oversized removable ash pan, making cleanup fast and hassle-free. Every Crown Royal stove is built for durability with heavy-duty 409 titanium-enhanced stainless steel construction and an extra-large firebox door featuring a roller latch system. The Multi-Pass series is built for simplicity, low maintenance and easy operation, offering the flexibility to burn a variety of fuels. Proudly made in the USA and backed by an industry-leading 20-year warranty, it's a stove you can count on for years to come. Trust the Multi-Pass series for unmatched efficiency and durability. Find your dealer today at crownroyalstoves.com.